everyone, and happy Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday afternoon. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather. It's because it's the only weather you got. This is Mike Bass with the weather forecast for you today. I hope everybody's having a great Thanksgiving out there so far. Everybody continues to stay safe and well as well. Alright, and also enjoy your day. Alright, in today's video we're going to be talking about the tropics here, and also we're going to be taking a look at the weather radar. Also we're going to take a look at the watches warning advisory map. Also we're going to take a look at the satellite imagery of the southeastern United States. And also we're going to take a look at the GFS snowfall totals over the next 16 days. So stick around through the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this for you. And also, if you can help me get these watch hours in too, I need a lot of them in. So if everybody could watch a lot of these videos for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. On the road there, folks, and let's go ahead and dive on into the weather forecast now. Alright, you can see here we're looking at the satellite loop across the lower 48, the Eastern Pacific, and the tropical Atlantic, and the Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. Alright, as you can see here, we got a little system spinning up here just south of Newfoundland. That's a little cold front pushing on off to the north and east as well. Also got another little swirl over there to the, which was 99L. It has moved into Central America, bringing some heavy rain and mudslides. We got another area of low pressure developing down in southeast Texas. We'll continue to race on off to the east-northeast. May bring a little bit of precipitation to the southeastern United States coming up on Friday. But if not, another cold front will sweep in and bring a good chance of rain coming up on Sunday night and Monday. Alright, as you can see in the Eastern Pacific, you can see you got a little system here. Also a little bit over here in not too far from the Hawaiian chain islands as well. Also got another storm system over the Pacific Northwest, over the Rocky Mountain. This is going to bring a winter storm to you guys coming up later today and also into your Friday. Also got another system off the west coast that will move inland as well later on down the road. Alright, let's move on to the weather radar now across the nation. We're going to take a look at some precipitation across. Well, first let's start down here in the southern portion of the United States with this here system here. Sorry about that, folks. I don't know what that is. Something down in the bottom of the screen. But anyway, we got some showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two around Austin, Texas, just east of San Antonio toward Houston, southern Louisiana toward New Orleans, Louisiana. Also in the Gulf of Mexico, some shower activity there as well. Alright, let's take a look at this winter storm going on, precipitation possible up here around in the Montana region of the United States as well. As we continue to move eastbound, as you can see, we got a little bit up around Lake Superior, and also just north of Maine there as well, and a little bit of activity in portion of New York State. Pretty much the southeastern United States pretty quiet, except that little rain system down in the Gulf of Mexico and along the Gulf Coast region. Alright, let's move on to the watches warning and advisory map for your locations across the nation. Alright, you can see we still got our small craft advisories up here for portion of Maine down to portion of New York State. Gale warnings out in the coastal waters. We have storm warnings also in effect, gale warnings and small craft advisories also up around Lake Superior. Here's the big weather news here. We got winter storm watches in effect for you guys in portions of Kansas, also portions of eastern Colorado. Winter weather advisory there as well. Winter storm warning is also in effect for Colorado. Also in the portions of Nebraska, also into Wyoming, also Utah, Idaho, portion of Montana, northern Nevada. We got some freeze watches in effect. Frost advisories in effect for portions of California. Wind advisory there as well. Special weather statements in portion of Montana and also in the portion of Washington State. Got some flood watches in effect for northern Oregon. Also a few dense fog advisory there as well in effect for a couple counties there in portion of Washington and Oregon State as well. Alright, the Hawaii and Chain Island, you can see we got gale warnings, some flood warning watches in effect along the island chain. We still got those freezing spray warnings for the west coast of Alaska, small craft advisory, storm warnings along coastal Alaska, and also southern Alaska got some winter weather advisories there. Special weather statements also in effect for North Texas, Oklahoma, and also northern New Mexico as well. Alright, here's a look at the southeast satellite composite loop. As you can see, we got clouds pretty much, some high clouds moving across the state, which will become mostly cloudy later on this afternoon. So enjoy the sunshine while you got it, because there will be some clouds moving into the area, and it should become mostly cloudy thanks to that system developing down along the Gulf Coast. And also spread some rain across Florida, maybe southern Georgia, maybe a little bit across the Carolinas as well. Alright, here's a look at the 16-day snowfall totals over the next 16 days for the GFS. As you can see, we got the heavy snowfall totals in southwest Canada, southern and north-southeastern Canada, and also in the eastern Canada as well. Some in portions of the northeastern United States, some over here portions of Kansas and Nebraska region as well, and also in Colorado, back in the portion of Idaho, and also Washington, Oregon State, and also in the portion of Utah, and a little bit along California and Nevada region as well. Alright, well, that's your forecast for today. I hope everybody has a wonderful Thanksgiving. Take care. Enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video, so have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving afternoon, folks. Take care.